hope I can make sure that the coconut trees don't die because I'm heavy. Maliit lang. So, if you can hold lang ano. I can
This is recording, eh? Can I see? Or can I see here? I'll give you a
Yeah, before. I've done it a couple of times. Okay lang. I find tumigil very tumigil pa rin. Yeah.
planning to try it. Is it something wala na? Wala. Ano na lang. I don't know.
I feel like you. so wet. The owner of this place is a Mexican. And his name is Diego. I think he's over there. Now that it's not windy here, I want to show you what the staff eats here. They have octopus, rice, because rice is light. And, ano to ulit? Ano siya? Gawa sa... Ano siya?
Ayun siya, mamo. Ayun, yung puti na yung katabi dito.
Ah, ito. Puso ng saging?
Hindi po. Dabo po siya. Yung sa nyug po, yung pinaka...
Nyog. Yung coconut? Okay, wow. I don't know what this is, but it's part of the coconut plant. Alam mo to? Alam mo to? I don't know this.
Hindi siya dabo.
Dabo tawag? I really don't, there's a lot I don't know, but this is from the coconut plant, and you can saute it and have it with rice. Galing ah?
No. Pwede siyang kataan. Pwede siyang, lagyan ng isahin.
So gata, you can put coconut milk. Isa is like saute. Ano yung shirt? Pong cancer. Bakit may cancer kayo?
Wala.
Okay. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Interesting. And then mango. Ready? Thank you. Ready na? Oy. Sumasayaw. Yeah, boy. Thank you. So I just want to show you how I like the tiles. Huh? Sorry. Shaka Bra. Wait, pag may time kayo, follow niyo yung YouTube. Wala, hindi ko mahanap. Okay, next time na lang. Okay, wait lang ako yung name. Okay. Let's get my phone. Eugene! Can I borrow my cellphone lang? I think it's in your bag ata. But while we're getting my phone, if you want to use the toilet, it's just right across. So, I guess this is part of Shaka Bra. So I think this is a bar, but it's still closed at the moment. And then entrance fee 50 pesos, skate at your own risk. You can actually rent skateboards here, I think. Skateboards. But if you go inside here, this is where the toilets are. Ooh, this is the Vietnamese food, and the toilet is just over here. So yeah, Shaka Bra's toilet. But let's go. Okay, crossing the street. Here you go, my cell phone, thank you. Pass lang, 1 second. Okay, Shaka Bra. Let's just give ate my YouTube. Anong name nyo? Karen and look for Karen and Joshua. So they're here at Shaka Bra over at Santa Fe, no? Or what? Santa Fe. Go to Santa Fe GL. Boom. Ito siya, shirt. Roxy Rocco. Yeah. Roxy Rocco. And then they serve a lot of yummy Vietnamese food. Thank you. Thanks Joshua. Thanks Karen. Bye. Woo, let's go. Let's hit the road. Okay. That's my ride. Yeah. Let's go. Woohoo. Sige, I got it. Let's go, boy. Yeah. Woohoo. Diba when you see other people in scooters who do like that?
Yeah.
Or hindi na.